So Bitcoin hit 100K yesterday. So let's take a look at it and see if it's still a good time to buy Bitcoin. So right now we have the trading view open. We have a 5-minute chart. These are some of the trades we caught yesterday on Bitcoin. And we're still trading it now. So we caught a nice 13-to-1 trade, nice 3-to-1, a nice 7-to-1. So we've been making money on Bitcoin this whole bull market, just scalping it and holding it long. But let's get a guide there where Bitcoin's headed in the future. So in order to understand where Bitcoin is going, first you have to understand what controls the price of Bitcoin. So the all-time high of Bitcoin. Uh, and we're seeing a retracement in Bitcoin right now. And the retracement could turn into something bigger, but let's take a look at it. So I'm gonna switch my screen over to my desktop. Give me a second. All right. So here we have a computer. So this right here, it determines the price of any asset you trade, whether it's Bitcoin, Forex, gold, the dollar, just determines the price. Right now, the market cap of Bitcoin is at $2 trillion. So that controls the price right now. And crypto total, $3.6 trillion in crypto right now. So now we need to compare Bitcoin, which has been around for 15 years, to other assets that have been around longer, try to get a projection of where it's going to go. Um, all right. So the real estate market, $455 trillion. I don't see Bitcoin passing real estate, but just to give a good comparison to where we're at. Excuse my mic if it's low or anything. I'm just using my laptop right now because I'm not at my main house. So we have the price of oil. Oil is at $123 trillion. The Chinese yen, $42 trillion. US dollar, 21 trillion. Gold, 17 trillion. The euro, 16 trillion. Copper, 11 trillion. Gas, 10 trillion. Japanese yen, 8. The British pound, 3.9 trillion. Apple, 3.6 trillion, which is the total amount of crypto. Um, Amazon, 2.3 trillion. And right here in the top 20, we see Bitcoin, 2 trillion, which is right under Google. Um, Now I will say this, most of these top assets, Bitcoin's grown 2.9% in one day. These top assets, besides natural gas and copper, they don't really grow as big daily. So Now, my projection for crypto, for Bitcoin, is for it to become a top 10 asset. So if you look at number 10 asset, it's sitting at 3.9 trillion. So 4 trillion. So right now Bitcoin's at 2 trillion. So I'm expecting to see Bitcoin double. The time frame, I want to say 1 to 4 years. I can see it doubling. But it could happen faster, it could happen slower. But 1 to 4 years is my estimate for a 200,000 for Bitcoin to hit 4 trillion, and that will bring the price of Bitcoin double also to 200,000. So it's still early in buying Bitcoin. However, I wouldn't go all in. Let me go back to the charts on Bitcoin to explain why you shouldn't go all in on Bitcoin. So let me switch over to the chart. And if you like these crypto breakdowns, I'm gonna be doing with charts and stuff and explaining it. Um, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know that you like it. Leave a comment, and I'll do more. I'll try to do more daily videos on XRP and other crypto coins. So I'll switch back to the charts. So now that you understand Bitcoin as a whole, I'm gonna open up the main chart. We're gonna zoom out to the weekly chart. Yeah, we've this is our entry actually. We got it on Bitcoin on the retrace. We got it on Bitcoin around 40K, quoted up. So we've been trading Bitcoin for a while, but let's check it out. Bitcoin at 200K, how would it look? Bitcoin has 200K. How to go up here? Now, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? No, it's not too late. You still have all this room. However, you buy Bitcoin, I would expect to see price as it has in the past, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. That's how price normally fluctuates. So we can expect Bitcoin to maybe go up a little more, come down. I want to say like it's a safe area to come down to around here. And then from there, go up to 200K. So Bitcoin has two options. It can go in a second. Um, so there's one option for Bitcoin. And it's the second option that we're looking at for Bitcoin. It just continues going straight up. That's very rare, but Bitcoin is something that we've never seen before. So, so when you have an asset that has two clear paths like this, what you want to do is something called averaging in. You want to average into it. So one method, buy a we don't know, just depending on how much money you have. So it's option number one. Then you have a second option. The power for this one. Number two. And if you have more capital, You can put 20, 30K in it. You got nothing too. If you have more money, you can just put a large sum in it. You just don't look at it for a year or 4 years because you're probably going to see it go down before it goes up. That's one option. Two option. And then your third option with Bitcoin would be so you can average in. I think method one is probably the best. You can split up your payments and average down into it and buy it up. And then method three is what we're doing in my in the Telegram and Discord. If you join from the link below is what we're doing, but we are we're getting Bitcoins for around 300 each. Once a Bitcoin hits 200K. So if you join the Telegram, you'll see more, but we pretty much have a little glitch right now we're using. We're able to get Bitcoins for way cheaper. And it's my favorite option. So what we're doing, we're getting Bitcoins for cheaper and we're just averaging in, getting positions. And then when Bitcoin makes the move up to 200K, well, it's gonna make a lot of people in my group most likely just millionaires or a lot more money. So this is the average. This is the method we're doing. It's the best one to do. So, and then just fix it fine. And just this is the method we're doing. We're acquiring Bitcoin for cheap, and I think this is your best option because as Bitcoin goes up, you're gonna want to have a stockpile of them. And if you don't have a lot of money, you don't have a lot, this would be the cheapest way to acquire Bitcoins. So you can just join the Telegram, find out how we do that. But this is pretty much the options for Bitcoin. In the last video, we looked at XRP. We took a look. Um, I don't know if you remember this video. Open this up. Last video, we took a look at XRP. That's our price prediction. So XRP was up here. We predicted it going down to here, which is our entry, which it did. And then we took trades to buy up XRP. So XRP rebounding and coming up. And check out that video on XRP if you want the price prediction for XRP. It's also right here. And we're gonna drop some more videos. So like, subscribe, stay tuned, leave a comment on more stuff you want to see, and we'll do some more crypto videos. Peace.